Found an image you love while browsing? Now you can find similar ones instantly on any site. Meet the official GettyimagesBank Chrome extension. Once installed, click the G icon by the address bar. Turn on Search icon over Images, and you're set. Hover over any image and the G icon appears. One click finds similar images right away. Let's see it live. On GettyimagesBank, open the Options window and turn the icon on. Hover, click, and similar images appear on the right. It works the same on any image, every time. You can also right-click, then select Find Similar Images. It works on other sites too. Just right-click and choose GettyimagesBank Find Similar Images. Matching images appear neatly on the right. Right-click blocked? No problem. Just capture the part you want and search. Open the Options window and click Search by Screen Capture. In capture mode, just drag over the area you want. Similar images appear on the right instantly. Drag and drop works too. Use a web page image or a file from your computer. Drop in a file from your computer. It supports JPEG, GIF, webp, BMP, and SVG. Matching images appear neatly on the right. Pick your results layout or pop-up on the current page, a new pop-up window, or pinned to the right. Choose Pin to the right, and results stay docked to the side. Now you can browse similar images without interrupting your work. Install the GettyimagesBank Chrome extension today and easily find the images you want.